Ever felt like you're staring at a cryptic language of lines and numbers, wondering if there's a secret decoder ring for the stock market? Or maybe you've heard whispers of people making smart moves with something called TradingView and you're asking yourself, is that something I could actually use? Well, you're in the right place. Because today, we're diving deep into that very question, is TradingView actually good for beginners? Now, let's be real. When you're just starting out in the world of trading and investing, the sheer amount of information and tools can feel overwhelming. You're probably bombarded with complex charts, technical indicators with intimidating names, and enough jargon to fill a dictionary. So, the last thing you need is a platform that adds to that confusion, right? That's where TradingView steps into the picture. At its core, TradingView is a powerful web-based platform for charting, social networking, and analyzing financial markets. Think of it as a central hub for all things trading. You can look at price charts for stocks, forex, cryptocurrencies, and more, all in one place. But here's the key question for beginners: is it accessible? One of the biggest wins for TradingView in the beginner-friendliness department is its intuitive interface. Unlike some older, clunkier platforms, TradingView boasts a clean and well-organized layout. The tools you need are generally easy to find, and customizing your charts to see the information that matters most to you is surprisingly straightforward. You can add indicators with a few clicks, draw trend lines with ease, and even change the color scheme to match your preferences. This visual clarity can be a huge confidence booster when you're just learning the ropes. Beyond just looking at static charts, TradingView offers a wealth of educational resources and a vibrant community. You can follow other traders, see their analysis, and even learn from their insights. This social aspect can be incredibly valuable for beginners, providing different perspectives and helping you understand how others are approaching the markets. Many experienced traders on the platform also share their ideas and strategies, offering a fantastic learning opportunity. Furthermore, TradingView provides a wide array of tools and indicators that can aid in your analysis. While the sheer number might seem daunting at first, you can start with the basics, things like moving averages or volume indicators, and gradually explore more advanced tools as your understanding grows. The platform also offers paper trading accounts, which are essentially simulated trading environments where you can practice buying and selling without risking real money. This is an invaluable feature for beginners to test strategies and get comfortable with the platform's functionality before putting any capital on the line. Of course, like any powerful tool, TradingView has a learning curve. It might take some time to familiarize yourself with all its features and functionalities. However, the platform offers plenty of tutorials and help documentation to guide you along the way. Plus, the active community is often willing to lend a hand if you get stuck. Ultimately, while the world of trading itself can be complex, TradingView provides a user-friendly and feature-rich environment that is genuinely beneficial for beginners. Its intuitive design, educational resources, and supportive community can significantly ease your entry into the fascinating world of financial markets. It empowers you with the tools and information you need to start learning and developing your own trading strategies. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.